Tonight, we begin with a story not about a single car, but about a legacy, one that spans decades, continents, and generations of passionate drivers. We're asking a powerful question. Why does BMW continue to be known as the ultimate driving machine? In an industry where trends shift overnight and technology reshapes expectations every year, BMW has maintained a reputation that refuses to fade. From the moment a driver settles into the seat, there's an almost electric connection, a sense that the car anticipates movement, responds to intention, and transforms every ordinary drive into a moment of precision. The steering feels exact, the chassis balanced, and the experience unmistakably engineered with the driver at the absolute center. Even as the world shifts toward electrification and autonomous travel, BMW continues to defend the essence of driving pleasure, determined not to lose the emotional thrill that built its legend. BMW's dominance begins where many automakers claim expertise, but few truly excel. Engineering that feels both scientific and human. The heart of this legacy is the company's commitment to mechanical harmony. Their iconic inline-six engines have become a benchmark for smoothness, power, and a sound that enthusiasts recognize instantly. But power alone isn't the secret. BMW designs its cars with near-perfect weight distribution, allowing drivers to feel firmly connected to the asphalt, even at high speeds or tight corners. Every component, suspension, steering, transmission, is tuned to communicate with the driver in real time. Nothing feels accidental. Everything feels intentional. The result is a machine that doesn't just move, it interacts, responding with precision to the slightest input. For BMW, performance isn't about brute force. It's about balance, control, and that unmistakable confidence you feel behind the wheel. While engineering provides the foundation, BMW's identity is sharpened on the racetrack, where limits are pushed and weaknesses revealed. Motorsport has never been a marketing accessory for BMW. It's a proving ground. Across touring car championships, endurance events, and historic racing series, BMW tests the very technologies that later make their way into road cars. Every lap completed, every corner attacked, contributes to the evolution of the brand's performance DNA. Innovations in braking systems, adaptive suspension, lightweight materials, and aerodynamics all have roots in competitive racing. When everyday drivers feel sharper cornering, tighter body control, or faster throttle response, they are experiencing the distilled lessons of decades spent fighting for milliseconds on the track. It's this commitment to real-world performance, not just polished statistics, that keeps BMW's reputation alive. But a legacy survives only when it adapts, and BMW's modern strategy proves that evolution is not optional. It's essential. With global pressure to reduce emissions and embrace cleaner mobility, BMW has stepped boldly into the electric era, while refusing to abandon its core philosophy. The I-Series lineup, including models like the i4, iX, and i7, reflects a new direction powered by instant torque, advanced battery technology, and futuristic interiors. Yet the brand's electric vehicles still aim to preserve that unmistakable BMW feeling: direct steering, firm road grip, and confident handling. Even the design language blends performance with sustainability, using recycled materials and energy-efficient manufacturing without sacrificing luxury. BMW's challenge has been striking a balance between tradition and innovation, and its latest models signal a company that refuses to let its identity fade, even in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. As BMW moves forward, one of the greatest strengths it relies on is a design philosophy rooted in driver psychology. Every button, every screen, every curve of the dashboard is placed with intention. BMW's interiors have long been known for their driver-focused layout, creating a cockpit-like environment designed to enhance control rather than distract. Even in modern models filled with digital displays and voice-activated features, the brand maintains a balance between innovation and familiarity. The seating position is low, the visibility sharp, and the cabin engineered to feel like an extension of the driver's instincts. While many luxury brands chase minimalist screens and futuristic styling, BMW keeps the human element at the center, ensuring that technology assists rather than overwhelms. This thoughtful approach is one reason longtime BMW owners say the cars feel right, even before they start moving. Another defining pillar of BMW's identity is its pursuit of performance across every segment it enters. From compact sedans to large SUVs, the company insists that every vehicle carrying its badge must deliver a specific flavor of driving excitement. Even the heavier X-Series models are engineered to feel surprisingly agile, with responsive steering and balanced handling that defy their size. The legendary M Division takes this philosophy to its extreme, crafting cars that push boundaries on acceleration, grip, and precision. But what sets BMW apart is the way its performance remains accessible, powerful yet controllable, thrilling yet predictable. Whether you're navigating a city street or an open highway, the brand aims to deliver consistent confidence. This ability to blend everyday usability with spirited performance is something few competitors achieve with the same level of refinement. Beyond hardware and performance, BMW's legacy includes a deep, loyal community of enthusiasts who play a critical role in carrying the brand's reputation forward. Car meets, driving clubs, track days, and online forums are filled with owners who share stories, technical knowledge, and passionate reviews. This culture not only strengthens BMW's identity, but also shapes how the world perceives the brand. Owners often describe their vehicles as partners rather than possessions, machines that reward skill, encourage exploration, and inspire pride. It's a relationship built on decades of engineering consistency and emotional resonance. And as BMW transitions into a future dominated by electric power and digital integration, this community acts as a bridge, reminding the world that the essence of driving excitement can survive even the biggest technological shifts. Tonight, as we look at BMW's journey from its earliest engines to its cutting-edge electric models, one thing becomes unmistakably clear. The brand's title as the ultimate driving machine is not an accident, a slogan, or a stroke of marketing luck. It is a legacy earned through relentless innovation, engineering discipline, and an unwavering belief that driving should be felt, not just experienced. Many automakers can build cars that are fast, luxurious, or futuristic, but BMW continues to pursue something deeper, a connection between machine and driver. As the automotive world accelerates toward a new era filled with autonomous systems and silent electric motors, BMW stands determined to protect the thrill that defines its name. And for millions of drivers around the world, that commitment is the reason BMW's legacy not only survives, but continues to grow.